How's it going, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Justin, and today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I feel about the Tein S lowering springs that I just put on my car. Let's get into it. We got Brian here. I'm gonna take you guys into my favorite canyon road and we're just gonna drive. First of all, let me show you guys what I thought of the springs before. I mean, as far as the stock ride goes, it's nothing to complain about. The steering as it is pretty tight. It's gonna go where you want it to go, and I really just like how it feels when I'm driving. I feel very connected, and it's got that older kind of Japanese car feel to it. So we're gonna put these springs on and we're gonna see just how nice the ride feels, because I already know it's gonna look amazing. Now in that clip I'm clearly underwhelmed, but you could also tell how excited I was to put those springs on. Now right off the bat, to tell you guys how I feel about them, I absolutely love them. Not only was I excited about the drop and how good it was gonna look, but I didn't expect it to make such a huge difference when I was driving. So let me tell you a bit about these springs. These are Tein S lowering springs, the ultimate solution to your GT3 Honda Fit driving experience. Okay, that was a bit cheesy. Let go. Oh, and check this out. I got a new hat mount so I can make some POV driving videos. Should be pretty cool. All right, so here we are. Check it out, pretty cool. So these springs have a 2-inch drop in the front and a 1.8-inch drop in the rear. So just from knowing that, this kit does have a bit of rake. Now when I originally planned to get these springs, I was super excited for it to look good and to finally be closer to the ground. And I was excited for the performance gains, but I didn't actually think it would do that much. But now after having it for a couple weeks and really like getting to understand the car a bit better, it makes a huge difference. The way I'm able to just take corners better and faster feels amazing, and the steering is so much more stiff. There's less body roll, and it just makes this already exciting car to drive that much more exciting. Like I said, this kit has a bit of a rake, and that's pretty much my only complaint. Now, I've seen plenty of people online cut their rear springs so that the rear sits lower, and I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna be caught on camera telling you to cut your springs. I'm not gonna do that. Woo! Speaking of potholes, one thing I have found myself doing while driving on this kit is looking out for more things in the road. Because I am closer to the ground now, so I need to be a little more careful when I'm driving. So whether that be taking driveways and curbs at a bit more of an angle, or just watching out for bumps in the road and having to slow down sometimes. The Honda Fit is low as it is, so when you add 2 inches plus to that, it can make quite a big difference. But like I said, this car is just so much more fun to drive now. Not only does it look better from a reputable company, you're not gonna have to worry about your springs breaking or them not fitting. No matter what, if you're looking for performance or aesthetics, you're gonna be happy with this kit. And I can go on and on about how much I like these springs, but man, I can't get over the improvement that it made. As far as city driving goes, it's really nice. I mean, I really don't have much to complain about for the ride of this kit. I will be honest though, sometimes you'll hit a bump or something and it'll seem a little more bouncier than it usually is. But if you take into account how much of a difference this kit makes in terms of your handling and how easily the car is to control, it doesn't matter. Now, I don't think you should go put this on your grandpa's Honda Fit. It isn't like a regular car where they're got some clearance and you can pretty much take it over a freaking curb. So like I said, overall, I don't have much to complain about this kit. The biggest things that you need to look out for is if you have any big bumps or if you have a very steep driveway on your commute, you should probably take into account that before you get this. The other thing is, if you're looking for perfect fitment, you probably should invest in some coilovers instead of springs, because these springs do have a bit of a rake, and I'd see it as a bit of a fun temporary fix for your ride height and the control of the car before you get real stiff set of coilovers. The third thing, like I said, don't put this on your grandpa's Honda Fit. He's not gonna enjoy it. But if there's like a big bump on the highway, it might feel a bit bumpier than usual, but it's not gonna toss you up into the ceiling and you're not gonna scrape against the ground. It's not crazy. If you're worried about the ride on this kit, it's okay. It's completely fine. It's perfect. Now, when this car was designed, it was supposed to be a non-gas guzzling economy car that could, like, you could move your house with. It just feels like it's meant to be driven spiritedly. It just has an attitude that you don't find in modern cars anymore. It's not supposed to be a Honda Fit review, but I mean, all in all, I think these springs are awesome. I couldn't ask for anything more. Seriously, I just love how they feel, how they make the car seem so more alive and connected. I would wholeheartedly recommend any of you to get these springs. Not only does it drop your car a couple inches, but it makes everything just feel so much nicer, and the handling is a huge improvement. But we're not done yet. I have another subscriber submission for you guys. Here it is. All right, so this video's what the hell? My hair's shorter. It's weird. So for this video submission, we have Moose. I'm just gonna call him Moose. So Moose has a 2008 Honda Fit. He said, I've been driving the wheels off my Fit for many years, hoping for the little car that could to get some love. This year has been a good one for the American Fit community, and this channel is definitely one of the good ones. Hope to see more of your cars. Thanks, man, I appreciate it. So he's got a custom RAM intake that he's kind of messed around with over time. Looks like it's pretty reliable and safe. But hey, man, this is like awesome, dude. Whatever. He got his headers wrapped. He's done some cooling things here and there. He's got a high flow cat as well as a catback straight pipe. He's got some 205s on his tires, new brake pads, stainless steel brake lines, Eibach front camber bolts, a Progress rear sway bar. I'm actually thinking of getting one of those. He's also got Sparko wheels. That's pretty cool. I like them. They're a nice color. He says he's converting it into a camper right now. Going to take this chance to mess with the balance of the car and see if I can get another back injury from taking a turn even tighter than it can now. Dude, this guy's going around corners in autocross so fast that he's injuring his back, so that's pretty crazy. As you can see here, it looks like he autocrosses this thing. I love it so much. I've been considering doing some autocross. Unfortunately, I don't have a lot of free time. Great build. I don't see many orange Fits around. Definitely not ones that are modified. So yeah, man, love the build. Thanks for submitting. I'll give this a Justin Mods rating of This is solid 7.5 out of 10. I like it. Alrighty, so yeah. As always, make sure to send your submission. Make sure to send your submissions into justinmodsubmissions@gmail.com, and yeah, hopefully it'll pop up in the next one. As always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun making it. I always love taking my car out just by myself, having some fun, and I'm glad I could take you guys along with me. Let me know how you like the little hat mount. I think it's cool. Of course, I haven't edited yet, so it might look bad. Subscribe if you're new here. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess as always, peace out.